Evaluation of postfix is what we are going to see. Oh, rubber of henna. I thought I will start with this, but anyway, no problem. So just now we have seen the explanation for this program. Once you can relook into it, what we are doing here is we are globally declaring the stack and top variable, then push function. In push, increment your top, whatever is the item you want to place in the stack top, place it. In pop, whatever it was pointed by top, scan it into item, and then decrement your top. Then in main function, what we are doing, we are just displaying something like evaluation of postfix, and you are asking to enter the postfix expression, and that is being stored as a character array, percentages. You are defining it post as a character array, and the same thing is being stored in this expression post. Then using a while loop here, you are finding the length of the given postfix expression, so that you can start scanning from the beginning until the last, using for loop like this. And if the scanned symbol, that is the first symbol, if it is a operator, perform this. If it is plus, minus, into, whatever there is, if it is an operator, pop the everywhere you see, all the things are same, all the cases are same. For all the operators, it is same. What it is doing, pop two elements, top two elements. First popped element or value is stored in operator 2. Second popped value is stored in operator 1, and perform the respective operation. If it is plus, perform operator 1 plus operator 2. If it is minus, perform operator 1 minus operator 2. Likewise, whatever is the operation, perform it and push back the result into the stack. Okay, if it is not an operator, it will enter into this default mode where you are pushing the symbol. Means if it is an operand, we will directly push it into the stack. And at the end, whatever is left in your stack is the final answer or result. Okay, just let me run this and we will see what happened. It's compiling. And all of you have to execute and check all these things, and take the screenshot of the outputs, and you have to show it to me. Before internals, I will share one link. You have to upload all the outputs that you, screenshots of outputs that you have stored. Store the output screenshots and upload in the given link. I will give the link maybe later, but you have to show me the observations and snapshots what you are taking today afternoon in lab. I will check. It's showing 3 minutes. If it is ending, you can join back. And I don't think in 5-10 minutes we can finish Tower of Hanoi. It will, because that iterations we have to discuss. We will do in the afternoon lab. It's taking too long to run. Lost. I know, sometimes like this. We'll stop first. One minute. We'll run it again once and check. Are you people using the same online compiler or anything else? How you people are executing?
Online.
Turbos,
Online compiler.
Sometimes this thing, ma'am, Turbo
online.
C.
Turbo C.
Turbo C, ma'am.
Yes, very good, very good. Use Turbo C only. If you are using online, which compiler is the same one which I am showing now? Online GDB.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
It's saying connection lost.